How to verify your identity on ANZ Bank. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can verify your identity on your ANZ Bank. So to do that, first of all, open the ANZ app on your mobile device and simply log into your account. Now, once you've done that, you'll have to select your profile icon on the bottom right corner of your screen. After that, you'll be provided with various options such as these. There, you'll have to tap the third option, which is verify your identity. Now, once you've done that, it'll say it'll only take a few minutes. You need a valid ID and your information is secure. So tap on the option continue. After that, you'll have to choose the type of ID you'd like to use. You can choose a driver's license, your passport, or Australian proof of age card. Now, you can use any one of these three. In my case, I'll simply choose my driver's license. And once you've done that, you'll have to basically scan your ID, take a selfie to prove that it's actually you who's doing the verification process. After that, you'll have to check and confirm your details. And once you've done all of those, you'll have successfully verified your identity on the ANZ Bank. So that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching.